Hello, hello, hello. All right, it looks like my internet has finally kicked back on. Today, we're going to be working on this Kentucky quarter. I'm going to be making this into a coin ring. So let's get into it. If y'all wouldn't mind tapping the screen, and if anybody's interested in getting a coin ring, you can tap that gold chain at the bottom of the screen down here. That'll open up my shop, or you can visit coinringmaker.com. The first step for making a quarter into a ring is punching a hole in it. So that's what we're going to do. We got 0 likes on this live. Y'all tap the screen for me just a little bit, just a couple times. There's our cool little horsey center punch. For those who are just joining in, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins like this into rings. Today we're working on a Kentucky quarter, but I work on all kinds of different coins. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. And if you'd like to check out my store, there's a little gold chain at the bottom of the screen you can tap on, or you can check out the link in my profile. There we go, nice and smooth. Let's go fold it. Here's how it's looking so far. I'm using a doming block and a 1-ton arbor press to get that first fold done. Gives a nice even fold. Still got all these nice details on there. For the second fold, I like to use a 17-degree die and a 17-degree cone. That wasn't lined up right. Let's try that again. There we go. Next step, I like to sand this cut edge right here, make sure that's nice and smooth. 625 likes. Thank you guys very much. Again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. There we go. We got that nice and smoothed out. Hop over here to the ring stretcher. That's this cool blue tool we've got here. Probably turn around. Chances are my phone will fall over. This is just a very awkward machine to try and film. Like try and get the whole thing in frame. You end up getting, every time I get it right, my phone falls over. Let's see, this one needs to be a size 10. Right now we've got it stretched out to a size 11. And we'll go ahead and hop over here and finish it up. Back in the 17-degree die. That's just going to help shape it a little bit. Get it down to our target size. Pretty close. There we go, right at a size 10. This will get a polish up before I send it out, but there is our finished coin ring. Again, if anybody would like to get one, you can visit coinringmaker.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.